Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and today we are talking about a new announcement from Microsoft. For those that like the line of Surface device, Microsoft has announced what a lot of people thought it was going to be Surface Pro 8 or things like that. Well, nope, it's Surface Pro 7 Plus. So this is kind of a small upgrade, if you want, to the Surface Pro 7 line of devices. And it is meant to be for business customers, apparently. So this is kind of an interesting way to put the, to brand it and to say that, well, this is more for a customer or business-oriented customer. The 7 Pro Plus, of course, is the 2-in-1 tablet that Microsoft launched in 2019, kind of a small upgrade. It actually has changes with the 11th generation Intel Core processors, Core i3, i5, and i7 11th generation processors are updated. There's optional LTE cell network capabilities if you want. The Core i3 has Intel UHD graphics, but the i7 and i5 versions also have the Intel Iris Xe graphics, which are higher-end graphics if you want. Has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and of course Dolby Atmos stereo. The 7 Plus is offered in 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. That's the most expensive version. And it claims that the battery life of 15 hours, which I would say is probably half of that, but still decent. And this is kind of an interesting upgrade to the existing form factor of the laptop or the Surface devices that are available, the 2-in-1 devices Microsoft is offering. So that is, of course, announced today, January 11th, 2021. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.